Welcome back to the Real English Podcast.
It's great to see you again today.
I actually want to start with a funny story from this morning. I made a bit of a mistake.
Oh, really? What happened?
Well, I went out for lunch to that new place down the street, and I ordered a turkey sandwich.
Oh, nice. Was it good?
It was amazing, seriously. But the waiter came over to ask how my food was, and I said something weird.
What'd you say?
I looked right at him and said, I absolutely adore that sandwich.
Wait, you said you adore it?
I did. And he gave me this really confused look, like he was a little scared of me.
I mean, I would be too.
Mm-hmm.
Was the sandwich a person? Or like a cute little baby?
No, it was just turkey and bread. But I really liked it. Why was that so weird to say?
Because the word adore is super emotional. It feels very personal.
Yeah, I guess it was a little too strong for a piece of food.
Exactly. Usually for food, we just say, I like this.
Right.
Or if it is really delicious, you can say, I love this. But adore is totally different.
Okay, that makes sense. I kind of wish I knew that before I scared the waiter.
Think of it like a volume button on a radio. Or even a thermometer.
Oh, a volume button. I like that.
Yeah. So, like, it's positive, but it is low volume.
Just background music.
Right. Then you turn it up, and you get love. That is medium or high volume. It is strong.
Okay, so where does adore fit in?
Adore is max volume. Very strong and highly emotional.
So if we talk about that new movie that just came out.
Yeah, perfect example. If I say, I like this movie, it just means it is good. I enjoyed it.
And if you say, I love this movie.
That means I feel strongly about it. It is my favorite.
But you don't adore the movie, right? I mean, you don't want to give the movie a hug.
Exactly. You don't have that deep, affectionate feeling for a movie.
So we really only use these words for specific, everyday situations.
I do. Let's practice it. Pretend we were just hanging out, talking about normal stuff.
Okay. Let's talk about music. I like this song.
See, that is very common. It is a neutral word.
It feels safe. You can use it for anything, really, like coffee or sushi.
Do you like sushi?
I do like sushi.
Right, very natural. Now, what about strong enjoyment?
That would be love.
Yes. Like, talk about hobbies. I would say, I'd love to travel more.
Because it is a deeper feeling, not just a casual opinion.
Exactly. Or food you really enjoy. I love chocolate.
Yes, I definitely love chocolate. So what about adore?
Let's pretend we are looking at photos on your phone.
Okay, pulling out my phone. Oh, look at this picture of my friend's baby. I adore this baby.
Perfect. Because it is a person. Or maybe a pet. You could say she adores her dog.
Because it has that feeling of warmth to it.
Yes, emotional warmth. It sounds very affectionate.
Yeah.
You use it when you feel protective or super happy about someone.
But wait, I have a friend who uses it for clothes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we go shopping and she points at something and says, I absolutely adore this dress.
Right. That is a fun exception.
Is she using it wrong?
No, but she's being very dramatic.
Yeah.
In fashion, people sometimes use adore to show very strong admiration.
Just to make a point, like, this dress is so amazing, I have to use max volume.
Exactly. It is just for fun, but usually it is about people. You know, this actually reminds me of someone.
Oh, yeah. Who?
My neighbor. My neighbor is so kind. And she actually reminds me of my grandmother.
That is really sweet.
Yeah. But the feelings are different. I adore my grandmother. But I just like my neighbor.
Because you don't have that deep connection with your neighbor.
Right. I enjoy talking to my neighbor. But the feeling I have for my grandmother is deep. It is familial.
It comes from the heart.
Exactly.
Okay.
Adore is not just a stronger like. It has warmth.
It has warmth. I really like how you said that.
Thanks. It is the easiest way to remember the difference.
Okay, so let me just review this quickly so I don't make any more mistakes at lunch.
Good idea.
We use like for everyday opinions.
Right. Keep the volume low.
And we use love for strong feelings and things we really enjoy.
Medium to high volume.
And finally, we use adore for an expressive, affectionate tone, usually for people or pets we care about.
Max volume. You got it.
Awesome. I feel much better about this now.
Good. Now I have a question for the person listening to us right now.
Oh, a question for the listener. I love it.
What about you? We know you like learning English, but what is something or someone you absolutely adore?
That is a great question to think about.
It really makes you appreciate the special people in your life.
Thanks for listening. If you'd like more episodes like this, you can subscribe to the channel. See you next time.